Hey there, it's Colleen, and it's Gay Pride Month, June, and I just wanted to share a story of how certain circumstances in your life, if you're gay, can actually negatively affect your health. I'm dedicating this video to my Uncle Tommy, who came out to me in his 30s. He taught me how to ride horses. He taught me how to communicate with animals. He is such a wonderful human being, and I always miss you. Thanks for visiting me in spirit when you do, Uncle Tommy. So I no longer do private sessions, but a particular client contacted me, and I will call this person Sawyer. All my clients sign forms saying I can talk about their case history, their studies, and what we worked on, but I will keep them anonymous. So Sawyer is not this person's real name. Sawyer was a military person who had been in the military for decades and had gotten very high up in the military and was in incredible, impeccable condition. Always ate healthy, very little body fat, lots of muscles and such. But Sawyer had suffered with high blood sugar most of their life. Didn't know why. The doctors didn't know why. No one could figure it out. As soon as I hear that someone's has a condition that the doctors don't know why, that always makes me suspect that emotional trauma is at the root of this condition. And if you release the emotional trauma, the fears from that particular situation, then generally that opens up all the channels to healing, including whatever the doctors have done. It's like it could be the final step, right? So I use Dowsing, which is just a simple tool in order to discover hidden energies, hidden fears, hidden emotions. Some people use it to look for water or minerals, oil, things like that. But I use it to look for emotions. Those are my hidden treasures. And I've helped people all over the world by finding their hidden emotions and their animal friends too. My Dowsing indicated that Sawyer, at age 12, had suffered a trauma due to their mother. And I asked Sawyer about this, saying, I don't expect you to remember. And Sawyer said, oh, I know exactly what it was. Age 12 is when I realized I was gay. And I wasn't like any of my classmates or anyone else I knew. And I had to tell someone, and I wanted to tell my mother. But I was so terrified that my mother would reject me as well. So we have fear of rejection, fear of not being safe, maybe even fear of failure to be able to make it in the world as a gay person, because there's still so much prejudice by people who just don't understand it. Anyway, when we released all those fears from Sawyer, Sawyer sent me an email 2 days later saying, when I woke up this morning, I knew something had changed in my energy. And Sawyer tested the blood sugar, and it was down to normal for the first time in decades. And that was such a big win, and I was just so happy. Sawyer recommended me to friends and loved ones and such. It was such a blessing. Anyway, I'm making this video because I want our gay friends to understand your certain circumstances can be triggers from the past to a lack of wellness, or even sadness, sorrow, grief. And it's important to find someone who can do either Dowsing or some kind of, they have an ability to release emotions and emotional blocks to wellness. I don't do sessions anymore, and I don't know anyone to recommend, but I wanted to get this out for Pride Month because it's a story that's very, very old, and it's a good one, and I just want to help people feel well. It's a crazy world out there, and we all deserve to be happy and well and feel blessed. All of us, no matter who we love, right? So take care. Thank you for watching this far. Peace out. You are a treasure. Bless you. Bye for now. When you learn to douse, the universal wisdom is yours for the asking. Please check out my book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, and any of my self-healing books, all available and very affordable on Amazon. Thank you.